today we're starting 20 ways to make money online. Today is way number 1. Now, these are not listed in order of importance or ease or potentially lucrative, just as they occur to me. So, this one I just had a positive experience with. I thought I would share it with you. And it is website flipping. Basically, you find a website, you buy it, and then you sell it. Sort of kind of like somebody who would take a house, a rundown house, buy it and decorate it and then sell it for a profit. So this is what you do with virtual real estate. I bought a site in December 2007, very end of December 2007, for $550 in a niche market. It was making about $150 a month. It was pretty good considering. And I bought it from some teenagers who were looking for some money for the holidays. Anyways, put a couple extra $100 into it, added some Google AdSense, added some affiliate programs, and put an email sign up. So then the site pretty quickly was making close to $300 per month. But I decided a couple weeks ago to sell it since the domain name had the words 2008 in it, so that's kind of limiting. And I went ahead and sold it, and the site and the check just cleared, $2,900. I'm pretty pleased. It's overall pretty smooth transaction, and I get to keep the 700 subscribers. So how could you do this yourself? Instead of, if you don't know how to go about doing this, if the market is a little bit saturated, it's hard to find a good deal, I would suggest that you just check the first 5 or so pages of Google, and any topic, just search for a word that interests you, and maybe approach people about the website that is just sitting there idle and doesn't look like there's much activity. Okay, I'm a big fan of just making up random numbers, random statistics, and I would like to say that probably 95% of all sites that are purchased and built are just sitting there with no one really taking care of them. So maybe somebody moves, or they get a new job, or they have a baby, or their passion fizzled out, whatever. They see that the websites don't make money. So this is a great opportunity for you. I mean, even if I'm off by 20%, that's still 75% of websites out there just sitting there, okay? So you might be able to go and find something that's been pretty decent, doing pretty well in the rankings because it's just sitting there, but nobody's doing anything with it. They're just cost them some money and they don't care about it, and you could offer them a couple $100. They might actually jump at the chance. So look for a good deal. It might be worth even more than that. It's up to you. And I don't know. It's one way to make money. So go for it. Thank you. You can add your comments and your personal experiences. I don't want to be doing this alone. I'd love to have you join in the conversation and tell me what you think. Maybe you disagree.